Ready for more daily English? Today we continue Mia's journey. We'll practice asking for directions, ordering food, and more. Keep your notebook ready. Let's start with the station scene. Look at the board. Our train is cancelled.
That's frustrating. There must be a delay on the main line.
Excuse me. Can you tell us why the 10:30 train was cancelled?
I'm sorry, miss. There is a technical fault. The next train is at 11:15.
We have to wait 45 minutes. What should we do?
Let's browse the bookstore. I want to find a new novel.
Good idea. I also need to buy a magazine for the journey. At least we have something to read now. We still have some time. Why don't we grab lunch? That cafe looks really cozy. Let's check it out.
You're right. The atmosphere is so warm. I'm starving.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order or do you need a moment?
I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Does it come with fries?
Yes, it comes with either fries or a small salad.
I'll go with the salad, thank you, and a glass of fresh orange juice.
I'll have the vegetable pasta. And an iced latte, please.
Excellent. Your lunch will be ready in about 15 minutes.
I'm so glad we decided to take this trip today.
That lunch was amazing. Now it's time to find some souvenirs. Look at this postcard, Sophie. It's hand-painted.
It's lovely. I think I'll buy these magnets for my family.
Excuse me, how much is this ceramic mug?
That one is £12. But if you buy two, you get a discount.
Do you want a mug too? We can share the discount.
Sure, this blue one matches my kitchen perfectly.
Can I pay by contactless, please?
Of course. Here are your items. Have a wonderful day.
Hold on. I don't think this is the right way. Yeah, we might be a little lost. My feet are aching. We've walked so much today.
Me too. I'm craving something sweet, like a pastry.
Let's ask that local resident. Excuse me, do you know any good bakeries around here?
Oh, absolutely. There's a fantastic little bakery just 2 streets away.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, very close. Walk past the post office and it's right on the corner. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. Their pastries better be good.
Let's go before they sell out. Today was an adventurous day with Sophie. I learned how to stay calm when a train is cancelled. I practiced ordering food and asking about the ingredients. And I found a beautiful gift for myself. Every problem is a chance to learn something new. I feel more confident in my English every day. Tomorrow, I will explore even more. Good night. Let's learn some useful words from this conversation. Vocabulary Spotlight, Segment 2. Station. I'll be waiting for you at the train station. Cancelled. My flight was cancelled due to the storm. Frustrating. It's so frustrating to wait in a long queue. Delay. The bus delay was caused by heavy traffic. Technical fault. The elevator stopped because of a technical fault. Browse. I love to browse around bookstores. Novel. Have you read any good novels lately? Journey. It's a long journey from the city to the coast. Vocabulary Spotlight, Segment 3. Grab lunch. Let's grab lunch at the new cafe. Cozy. This little restaurant feels so cozy. Starving. I'm starving. Let's order food now. Ready to order. Are you ready to order your meal? Come with. Does the sandwich come with fries? Either or. You can choose either soup or salad. Go with. I'll go with the vegetable pasta today. Fresh. I'd like a glass of fresh orange juice. Vocabulary Spotlight, Segment 4. Souvenirs. I want to buy some souvenirs for my family. Hand-painted. These postcards are hand-painted and beautiful. Ceramic mug. I found a lovely ceramic mug at the shop. Discount. Can I get a discount if I buy two? Match. This blue scarf will match your coat perfectly. Contactless. You can make a contactless payment here. Vocabulary Spotlight, Segment 5. Hold on. Hold on. I need to check the map. Aching. My feet are aching after walking all day. Craving. I'm craving a sweet pastry right now. Pastry. This bakery makes the best pastries in town. Local resident. Let's ask a local resident for directions. Walking distance. Is the park within walking distance? Corner. The bakery is just around the corner. Sell out. Hurry up before they sell out of bread. Vocabulary Spotlight, Segment 6. Adventurous. We had such an adventurous day today. Stay calm. It's important to stay calm when you are lost. Ingredients. These pastries are made with fresh ingredients. Chance. Every mistake is a chance to learn English. Confident. I feel more confident speaking English now. Explore. I love to explore new places with my friends. Great job today. Keep practicing and your English will improve every day. See you in the next story.